Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today is February the 8th, 2023. We are headed into Publix to get a ton of BOGO deals with also some digital savings. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Please either print it off or just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write anything down. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe my channel. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some deals. So the first thing is something I don't usually buy, but, if you want to try it. This is on the Heart brand Wagyu ground beef. These are $5 each with the BOGO. So, want to try something different to get this beef. I think I'm going to pass on this week, but if this is something that you like this type of meat, you'll be able to get it for $5. Running low on these body washes, so I'm going ahead and picking these up today. These are going to be $1 each. Now, the way this is going to work is you need to make sure that you are signed up to receive the Unilever coupons. These are coupons that you get in your email. And usually these are like Suave products, Degree products, Simple, Vaseline, it's all that company. So the Unilever coupons will come in your email and you're able to print these off. Just like how we print off with coupons.com, you can print off 2 sets. So here's the math on these. You're going to pick up 2 of these Suave body washes. They're usually $3.49 each, but you're going to get 2 for $3.49. And then we have a $1.50 coupon that we get in our Unilever email. That $1.50 coupon has to be used when you buy 2 items. So it's going to make these body washes $2 or $1 each. So these Suave deodorants are $1 each. I do not have any deodorant in my stockpile whatsoever. I haven't gotten good deals on deodorant in such a long time. These are usually $2.99 each, but they're on BOGO, so they'll be $1.50. Then we have this 50 cents coupon on the Publix app. Clip that coupon, and these deodorants will be just $1 each. Guys, I do want to tell you that the Publix app is amazing, and all you have to do is when you go to the register, you put your phone number in, and all the coupons should just come off. So set your account up on the Publix app, put that phone number in, and watch the savings happen. I thought this was a good Valentine's Day gift to give. These are the Hershey's Shareables. So it's the bigger bag. I have a couple 13-year-olds, and they are past the point where they're handing out the little individual, Valentine treats. They're mostly just giving a couple of treats to their close friends. And so these are going to be just $2.65 each. No coupons needed. I figure if I just go ahead and grab, 5 bags of these and hand them to my teenagers, they can pass them out to their friends. And this would be a pretty awesome gift, considering these are usually $5.29 each. So great deal on these, no coupons needed. So this Stonefire naan bread is going to be just 90 cents. This is a great deal. We're saving $3.10 on these. So they're usually $3.79 each, but they're on BOGO. So they'll be $1.90. There is a $1 printable coupon that you can print on the Stonefire naan website. So it's going to make each of these just 90 cents. And I believe you can print this coupon up to 2 times, so you can get a couple packets of these. My kids love the 4-pack because it fits in the toaster. So my family and I lived in Japan for a little while on a military installation, and I love Japanese dressings, and this is about as close as I can find around here that equates to anything there, because they do have the ginger dressing, and it is always homemade at their restaurants. So this is the Mikado dressing. It's usually $4.19, but it's going to be just $2.10. No coupons needed on this, and I go through this dressing, so I think this is a great deal. on dressing. My favorite is the original and also the creamy ginger. So $2.10 for the Mikado dressing. So I try to be extremely practical on my channel, and one of the ways that I do that is dinner planning. And so right now, the old El Paso products are on BOGO. So this is a great time to stock up. This isn't one that we usually get any kind of coupons for. We do sometimes, of course, but we don't get it often, and we have tacos in my house 2 or 3 times a month. So the old El Paso kits are just $1.65. They also have the salsa, the paste salsa, and then also the seasoning with McCormick. All those are on BOGO, so you can check it out and get any of those items if you need to. But I think $1.65 for the kits is a pretty awesome deal. The next thing we're picking up are these Cheez-Its. Now, you don't have to get the snack mix. You can get the regular ones, but I picked up the double cheese ones. And at my store, the Cheez-Its are $4.69. They're a little high. So $4.70 just to round up. Each box is going to be $2.35 because they are a BOGO. So we're going to pick up 2 boxes. Your total will be $4.70. There is a $1 coupon that you can use when you buy 2 boxes. That's going to bring our total down to $3.70. And there's also a $1 on IBOTTA that you're going to get rebate back when you buy 2 boxes. So that will make your total for both of these $2.70 or $1.35 each. Guys, if you know me and you've been on my channel, you know that one of my favorite things to stock up on is chicken broth. I know that's odd, but we don't really get coupons for things like this. So I'm always stocking up when it is on sale. The Progresso chicken broth or beef broth, any of those things are usually $2.79 each. This is the 32-ounce container. We're going to be picking up each one of these for just $1.40. So a great deal on these. I never really get the Progresso. I usually get the college broth or the Swanson. So excited to try something different with the chicken broth. So no coupons needed, just going to be $1.40 for the Progresso chicken broth. Now, something I have seen rise in prices are condiments. And one thing that we eat a ton of in my house is Heinz tomato ketchup. Can't have Hunt's or store brand. It has to be Heinz. I am not brand loyal, but my kids definitely are when it comes to their ketchup. So this Heinz ketchup is usually $5.29 each. This is kind of pricey. This is on the 32-ounce. They are buy one, get one free this week. So each of these ketchups are going to be $2.65. Not a bad deal on these, considering we do not have any coupons usually on items like this. So $2.65, no coupons needed. Another stock up price on the French's mustard. I just want to compare the prices here on regular. Usually the French's mustard is $2.67. And as you can see, the Publix mustard is $1.29. It is a little bit smaller than the French's mustard. I think only by well, maybe it is a little bit more. So the regular French's mustard is 14 ounces. And the Publix is 8 ounces. So that is a big significant jump on those. So because they're BOGO, there will be $1.34 on these. And this is a lot better price than the Publix because you're getting so many more ounces on this. No coupons needed, $1.34. Now, if you don't go to places like Costco and Sam's Club, then you should pick up some of this Pam spray, but because I have a Costco membership, I always pick up my Pam spray there. It's a lot cheaper than buying it at Publix. If you were to get the Pam butter, it's $5.07 usually. Buy one, get one free. It's going to make it $2.53. Now, I've had a coupon on the Publix app forever, and it's clipped, but it never attaches to this Pam. I've tried it several different sizes and several different times. Remember, guys, if your coupon does not attach on something, always go to customer service and show them the coupon. They should give you the money back. So I'm trying to build a meal here, and the Nathan's hot dogs are on sale as well as this Hormel chili. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up a can of this chili without the beans. We do not like chili on our hot dog with beans in our house. And so I'm going to pick this up. They're usually $2.10, but I'm going to be picking up a can of this for $1.05. So got my hot dogs, got my chili, and also the red onions are on sale this week as well, and we eat that on our hot dogs too. So I'm going to pick one of those up. So the Greenwise organic spices are usually $3.49, but because they are BOGO, they're going to be $1.75 each. I'm not really a person that cares if my spices are organic or not, but if you look at the prices of the organic spices compared to the regular Publix spices, these are actually cheaper with the organic spices. So if you need to stock up on any of your spices this week, these are going to be just $1.75. No coupons needed whatsoever. I am a huge fan of Purex laundry detergent, and it is on sale this week. It's usually $7.39 each, and this is the big bottle. This is the 57 loads, but it's on sale BOGO for $3.70. We also have these amazing $1 rebates on IBOTTA, and the great thing about these are there's a limit of 5 on the liquid, and there's a limit of 5 on the tabs. So you can actually pick up 10 of these and stock up if you want at $2.70 each with the rebate. So I've used these Carvana color grabbers before when I bought new towels, because when you buy new towels or new sheets, sometimes you'll have a bunch of different ink, dye, whatever, from the towels. And so I threw one of these in there, and it kind of sucked up some of the color from, letting it run on other things. But these are usually $4.39. They're on sale BOGO for $2.20. There is an IBOTTA rebate for 75 cents back. It's going to make each of these just $1.45. Now, you can only do this one time using your IBOTTA app for the color grabbers. I haven't gotten a deal on Pringles in quite some time. These are kind of pricey at $2.49 each. But because they're BOGO this week, they're going to be $1.25. We're going to go to the coupons.com app. When we buy 4, they're going to be a coupon for $1 back. So we're going to $1 back when we buy 4 of those. And then we also have a IBOTTA reward that when we buy 4, we'll get 75 cents back. So our Pringles will be $5 when we buy 4. We're going to get back $1 from the coupons app and 75 cents from IBOTTA. That's going to make these $3.25 or 82 cents each. So the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks, we got these about 6 months ago for like $1 each with the IBOTTA rebate. But today we're just going to be getting them for $2 each with the IBOTTA rebate. Things have just gone up. So these are usually $5.49 each. But they're BOGO, so your total is going to be $2.75. We have a ton of different rebates on the IBOTTA app, and for most of them, they're 75 cents back. The Fruit Loops one is $1.50 back, but because I'm just going to do the ones that are 75 cents, it's going to make each of these just $2 after that rebate. So pick them up if you like. Also, you can go to the Kellogg's website, and I'm sure there's coupons on there. I just forgot to go check them out on my own.